What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial showing you guys how to do a wispy set. I'm also going to be removing what she has on her lashes now. So I'm going to be using my 3M foam tape, which I talk about all the time, you guys. I'm going to link this down below. I have it linked on my Amazon must-haves for lashing, and this is on there. So try it because it's the best stuff ever. And so easy to use. I just cut it with a little tweezer. You can use any tweezer. I like the ones that have like a natural curve in them, so it cuts it like the eye shape. So we're just gonna put this under her eye. Why I like this so much better than iPads is because it doesn't move. It's super thick, so it does like a nice line of protection if you're a little heavy on your hand with tweezers. And you can close. And it also is super firm. So I just like it. You guys gotta try it. It's what I've been using forever. So, okay, we're gonna remove what she has on. All right guys, so we have cleaned up and taken off all of her previous lashes. So you guys can see she has super, super long and healthy lashes. So this is great. I'm gonna be doing a wispy set, and I'm also gonna be using our CC Curl OG collection. You guys can see how dark these lashes are. They're amazing. Okay, so I'm just gonna jump in. I'm gonna also be using our Lash Fam adhesive. This is a faster drying adhesive, so if you are a fast lasher, this is probably one you want to use. We have a couple others as well, but I'm using today. And then I'm also going to be using our rose gold isolation tweezer and our 45°, which are restocking in a couple weeks. I am not going to prime her because she doesn't need it. We only want to prime when our clients maybe have some oil on their lashes or a little makeup or any kind of like debris, but she doesn't have any of that, so I'm not gonna prime her. We're not gonna strip her lashes at all. Okay, so I'm gonna be applying Blue Mate to our lashes, the strip, the base of them. And what this does is it makes it so I do not have to worry about the humidity or room temperature. It's going to speed up my curing time. So this is a little lifesaver. We lash in a big room, so we can't really control the temperatures. The air comes on and off. So this is my saving grace when I lash. This is also really good, like if you're a traveling lash artist, you lash in people's homes. This is something you definitely want to have, and it goes on the base just like this, and you can reapply it as you need. So if you feel like it's not working or your glue isn't drying quick enough, just reapply it onto the strip and then you'll be good to go. Last thing, I'm gonna fluff out my lashes here, and this just opens them up, loosens them up, and you can be rough. Okay, so I'm gonna lash map on her. So we're gonna put her 9s in her inner corner, and then we're gonna do her 10s, 11, 12, 13s, and this is just a guide. If I feel like I need to pull one length more the other way or vice versa, then I will do that. 15 here. And then I'm gonna split this. So we'll drop back down 13 and we'll end with 12s on her end. And then we'll do the same thing here, 12s. All right, I am going to start on her right eye. I'm gonna get my base down and then I will probably rotate over. I like to focus on one eye at a time. Helps me focus better. When I see too much going on, I get overwhelmed. So I do one eye at a time. I like to start in the midsection. A lot of people say start on the inner and outer corners because they're the hardest, but if you actually start in the middle and you do this entire space and you do your inner and outer corners last, it's actually a lot easier. So try that way before you do inner and outer first. Now you can see in her lashes that she has a lot of tiny ones and then she has some longer ones. So we're gonna focus on only her longer ones. We're not gonna lash these little baby ones in between. Those are still growing in, so we're gonna avoid them. So now we just have to be a lot more careful on our isolation and placement. We want to make sure that we're not lashing on top of those baby ones. So you guys just be slow and controlled and make sure your placement is perfect. What's really nice too about using the easy fans in a wispy set like this is that you don't have to, you literally just pick them up and go. Because the base is already attached, you don't have to bond it, so it makes these sets a lot easier to do. Because they just naturally come off the strip exactly how you need them. Now on her longer lashes, I'm gonna put a little bit bigger of fans, but on her smaller ones, we'll do smaller lashes. I'm gonna jump over to her 15 section and do some there. So I'm kind of just gonna do a jump back and forth from 12s to 15s right now, and then I'll fill in the gaps. So on these shorter ones right here, I'm just gonna be making smaller, thinner fans, so not as thick, but we're still gonna lash these. And then always check your work, you guys. Make sure nothing is sticking to anything. If they are, you want to separate them. All right, Lash Fam, that's gonna wrap up the video. I hope you guys learned something new. Hope you guys liked the way the set turned out. If you guys wanna shop any of the products that I use, they are in the description. Make sure you download our app for 20% off your first order. And thank you guys for watching. I will be back with another video soon.